Or you're leading 2-0 at halftime and you're playing against a high-quality team.
Yeah.
You said it was a mismatch. Having said that, so you know that, boy, I'm playing above myself right here. What do you say at halftime to the Japanese team?
I think in hindsight, typically I would have asked, I would manage the game differently. I think the Japanese played the same way they were playing when they were playing 0-0 as they were playing when they were 2-0 up. And in hindsight, that was a tactical mistake. When you're ahead in a game, 1, 2 goals, your approach to the game is supposed to be totally different. Well, generally speaking, from when you're chasing the game or you're at 0-0. And I just think, just looking back at the game, I remember commenting here that they're not dropping off. They're still going, and they're still pressing up high. I think in retrospect, in hindsight now, that might have been a tactical mistake. What was definitely a tactical mistake, though, was to push your team so high with the last attacking player of the game and to get caught with that counter-attack. They should have left men back and just play for extra time with the corner.
Just like Brazil was doing earlier.
Would that suggest, Coach, that they think they could win the game? And they think this is the last kick. Pull up the box. Let's see if we could win the game. Does that suggest that? Or were they naive? Were they arrogant? What do you think?
At the time that the corner was taken, it was like 15 seconds to go. If it is that you are calculating on the game going extra, then you would have distributed your players more rationally on the pitch. That didn't happen. So when the counter came, they were exposed.
But that would suggest that they were going for the win.
Yes, and with the time frame though, given at a corner, whether or not you have advantages with playing against a taller defensive unit, that's kind of crazy.
Why though?
Because you haven't in the past been able to forge their defensive unit with high balls. So it makes logically...
So why go all out on a set piece that's
is
a
what
high
I've
ball?
been saying all the time. Right. If it is that at the stage you could go another 30 minutes and hope that your conditioning and so on, or your combinations would get you through, then it is too risky to try and win with 15
and
seconds.
I hear you, but O'Neill, again, and exactly that. I don't want to go the extra 30 minutes because they're a bigger team, they're a better team. 15 seconds to go, I get a corner, let's go for it. What's necessarily wrong with that? I hear what you guys are saying, but what's
wrong is that you're on your way home?
At the time of the tournament, at the time in the game, I wouldn't be going, especially with Bradley had highlighted, we have seen that we have bigger defensive players. I would at least have 3 or 4 men back in defense because, again, we know of the pace of the counter from a Kevin De Bruyne. And we have been closing him down all game. So we know of the quality of this player. So you give him a free run with tired legs, tired minds.
And at least in that setup, realize that De Bruyne is at the start of the counter-attack. And you know that from before, he's the one that you want to start the counter-attack. Make sure you have somebody on him. So if the ball gets cleared and it comes to De Bruyne, at least you can block him there or foul him or to stop it right there.